Good day everyone and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to delete photos from Google Business Profile that have no trash can icon. So usually if you go to photos in here and you want to delete the photo, you have this trash can icon, but if you don't have it, it's actually pretty simple to do this, guys, to remove. So for example, I just inserted this random location of a store as you can see in here, we have multiple photos, about almost 600 photos. So if you open one of them up and let's say this is your business, right? And if you want to remove it, just click on this flag icon, all right? So click on it. And in here, you choose a reason why this image doesn't fit, right? So for example, let's say you've uploaded a photo, you don't have no way to remove it, but you still want to. Let's say that photo has a poor quality, so you choose the reason, and then you choose email address if you wish, pass the captcha, and click on submit. And after that, the photo will be reviewed and removed, guys. But always make sure to choose a proper reason, alright? This is important. So enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.